My name is Josh Hughes and I'm a foreman for Pacific Foundation. We're in Southern Oregon right now putting some micropiles in the ground. Access getting to each footing location has been troublesome and small work pads. We got a lot of equipment in the same area, all trying to make moves into the right direction, and everybody stays safe while doing it. There you go. We're winding down. We've got 8 micropiles left. After we drought these couple we're on today, we'll have 6 micropiles, and we're going to pack up and get out of here.